What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around the car lot. I guess it'd be tonight, pointing out a bunch of the new cars. I've been actually trying to get video of this lot all day, but you know, as you can tell, I was in coronavirus lockdown, and I've been waiting for everybody to clear out. I literally made a specific trip just to drive here with my mask on and do a walk around. So what we're gonna do, start up here in the front, go all the way around the lot, and yeah, check out some of our videos on here. We have videos of almost every car on the car lot, test driving, walking around it, pointing out all the flaws. All right, we're gonna get started here. Up front, we got a 65 GTO clone convertible car for $29,900. Right next to that is a 1955 Bel Air, $31,900. Right next to that's a 64 Impala, $27,900 on that one. Pretty sweet car. Right next to that, 1971 Monte Carlo, $21,900. It's got the big block under the hood. Right next to that, 1970 model Coronet, $29,900. Right next to that, look at him go. We got a 1970 Duster, $19,900. This is a 3-speed. You know, we're picking up the Chevelles. We got a 1968 model Chevelle here, $26,900. I'll be doing a test drive of it later this week when I get back to work. Of course, we got the turbo HHR with low miles for $14,900. The old Nova's on hold, but it was $27,900. That was a 1966 model. All right, guys, may have to clean my screen here. All right, right next to that's a 1967 model Nova, $25,900. Pretty cool one right here. This is a 71 Nova, $20,900. If you want to see under the hood of these cars, definitely watch those detailed videos that I put out and check maplemotors.com. $17,900, 1979 model Camaro, old Z28. Right next to that for $23,900, we got a 72 model Camaro. All right, I know it's nighttime, so I brought this. 72 model Camaro sitting here, $23,900. Mustang just came in as well. On the cheaper side too, it's $12,900. Got a pretty good look to it. 66, I believe. Got the Corvette right next to that. Actually, two of them. One's got the side pipes on it. Got $11,900 on this one and $10,900 on this one. Y'all probably seen the primered one before. All right, got to get the rain off again. Okay. The struggle's real up here right now with this rain. 1979 Trans Am, $12,900. Videos are up and running of this one. And how about an AMX? We haven't had that in a while. $14,900. That's a 69 model. I've got a few more cars up here that I want to check out, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to the back of the lot. Look at this. Got for $29,900. Got the old 54 model Chevrolet pickup. Pretty sweet. There's a showroom up here too. I'm going to be taking y'all in there, checking it out. 65 model C10 for $16,900. Right next to that's a 72 model C10 for $14,900 with a big block in it. All right, back here in the back for $14,900. What year is this one? That's a 05 model Tacoma. So check it out. More information will be popping up here soon. You got the custom edition Chevy pickup truck, 1500 with low miles. I think it was like 50,000 miles. $14,900 on this one. And that right there is a 94 model. Right next to that's a 2000 model 1500 GMC pickup truck, 6950, 160,000 miles. '07 model Jeep Wrangler, about 160,000 miles, 12,900 on the windshield on this one. All right, let's make our way up to the front here. Got the old 57 Bel Air. And they've got it for $29,900 with a 4-speed under the hood. Beautiful ride. Another 57 right next to it. $25,900 with a 4-speed. Old Trans Am just came in. This is something new. It's a 76 model. Got a good look to it. Coming on around the side here, we got some new cars. The 94 Caprice Wagon, 7950. Custom paint job. Look at the Malibu Chevelle Convertible, $28,900. In decent shape. 68 model. Videos are up and running on this one, so you can check out the test drive. Got another Chevelle sitting here, convertible. Actually, two more of them. This one here is a 1966 model. The price will be on the windshield here soon. Sorry it's not on there now. It will pop up on the website. You got the True SS Chevelle, $29,900. This is a 4-speed car. 1969 model. And we got all the pictures uploaded on the site now. Let me clear this lens. Okay, we got some goodies up in here. We are now in the showroom, and we got a 70 model Chevelle sitting here. Should be seeing it pop up soon. It's like $396 under the hood, the AC, all the goodies. And then the Montes. We got some pretty nice Monte Carlo sitting here for $15,900. This is an 87 Monte Carlo SS. Black with T-tops. Looking pretty sweet inside. Right behind that, got a 1986 Monte Carlo SS, $14,900. The stripes going down the side. Hard top Look at that paint. Interior looks awesome. And then right behind that, 84 Monte Carlo Ss, $14,900 on this one. All three of these are super clean. This is the first time I've seen them. Of course, you got the 93 Fox body Mustang low miles sitting over there. I don't know if they put a price on the windshield yet. 55 model Bel Air with all the options that you could get. $65,900. Price came down on this one a little bit. And you know you got to have the Mustangs. We always try to keep a Mustang or two around. $29,900. 70 model. Beautiful. And look at this boat. It even comes with a little poster board. 60 model Pontiac Catalina, $29,900. And we can't forget the Corvette. I need to be doing a test drive of it this week. This was a personal. It's $44,900. It's got side pipes and everything, guys. This is sweet. Also a 4-speed. And yes, a low mileage Fox body Mustang, 93 Cobra. All right, we're gonna go ahead and walk around the lot one more time. Just kind of breeze through everything. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's go on back out there. All right, guys, one more breeze through the lot and we'll conclude this video. Check out maplemotors.com. You get close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We do have a wheels, tires, and parts section on the website. We also have financing available. We got 3 companies to pick from: Lightstream, JJ Best, and Collector Car Lending. We have previous inventory and commonly asked questions on the website as well. We are a family business, over 38 years. And I do test drives and walkarounds of every single car on the lot. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you come here. 90% of our sales are out of state. And because of these videos. We also have the showroom. It's all closed up now. And I do videos like this once a week. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for sharing my videos. It helps us out greatly. And I continue to push these videos out every day. Health permits. Okay, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. It's time for me to go home. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Later, guys.